looks like we got it in the backyard just fine. Glad you don't gotta pick it up and carry it everywhere. It actually got some wheels on it. Gonna be looking into a stump grinder next from either Lowe's or Home Depot, one of the two. Got quite a few stumps I got to grind in mind, and quite a few I never got to do before. So here it is. If you're still with me. Check my GoPro, see if it's on. Yeah, you're still with me. So here it is. $212cc chipper shredder. Turn yard waste into mulch using powerful shredding and chipping hammers. Chips limbs up to 3 inches in diameter. Extra deep heavy duty steel leaf hopper. 20-to-1 waste reduction. Includes a garden waste bag. Well, obviously we want to do some brush clearing and run everything we can through this thing. So I can hope it can take whatever we've got to throw at it to an extent. So, okay. Well, let's get the box in here and cut it open. We might need a 5-in-1. Harbor Freight, I just brought the little tag up to the counter, and we'll, there goes all my money. And I'm just dragging it into the shed slowly. Alright, well, let's not get too far. Let's cut it open. Amazon sells these things if you do a lot of different stuff. You just get a little pocket knife. Believe it or not, got a pair of scissors on it. I don't know what's better. See if these little scissors from this carabiner tool will cut these strapping straps. Now I better break the knife out. Sorry, Amazon carabiner, they're not going to cut the straps.